रामा काणकोणकार हल्लो प्रकरणात प्रमुख आरोपी म्हूण झेनिटो कार्दोझोक अटक केल्ली. बेलाचेर आपणाक सोडचो म्हूण झेनिटोन कोर्टा मुखार अर्ज केल्लो. दुसरे वटेन रामा काणकोणकारान झेनिटोक बेल दिवची न्हय म्हूण कोर्टांत आर्ग्युमेंट घातिल्लो. झेनिटो केशी संदर्भांतले पुरावे ना नपैत करपाचो यत्न करीत म्हूण ह्यान पयलीं ताका कोर्टान जामिनाचेर सोडलो ना. मात आयज ताका सशर्त जामीन दिल्या.
The North Goa Special Court has granted conditional bail to Zenito Cardozo, who is prime accused in Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case. The court has granted him bail over the personal bail bond of 5 lakh rupees and 2 sureties of like amount. The court has fixed date of 17th December for the arguments before the charge in this matter. With Swapnil Tari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
बेल आयज ताका स्पेशल कोर्टान ग्रांट केल्या. 5 lakh श्युरिटी म्हणल्यार 2 श्युरिटी ऑफ 5 lakh ईच एक वन कंडिशन घातला. सेकंड कंडिशन इज दॅट ही शूड नॉट इंटरफियर विथ द विक्टीम बाय नॉट एंटरिंग इन द रेडियस ऑफ 500 meters where the victim resides. Similarly, one more condition is that he is not supposed to enter the area within the radius of 500 meters where the victim is working. Third condition is that he has to surrender his passport, if any. Fourth, that he has to attend the court regularly. Fifth, not to tamper with the evidence or the witnesses. आणि हे श्युरिटीचें जें कंडिशन घातला पळय तितून ते कंडिशन एक आसा की 5 lakhs श्युरिटी फॉर 2 म्हणल्यार 5 लाखांचे 2 श्युरिटी मारल्या. 10 lakh श्युरिटी. 10 lakhs. Total 10 lakh श्युरिटी. And out of the 2 sureties, one should be so relative. Whatever order the court passes, whatever the hearing is done, we will be obliged, we will participate on a daily basis.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.